Let's learn how you can get X or Twitter backup code. So let us open our X application. Now you'll have to click on your profile picture in top left corner. It will open this side menu. You want to click on this settings and privacy gear icon that will lead you to settings option. Then you will have to click security and account. Now click again on security. And as you can see here, you'll see two-factor authentication. You want to click that option and it will lead you to this page with three options for your two-factor verify. So for the text message you need premium, so I recommend using this in the middle. So you will have to use application for your verification. Select it, it will open you a start menu where you will set up the two-factor verification. And after you done that, you will get these additional methods options. So you want just to click on backup code, and as you can see here, there will be your backup code. Just click on generate new code and it will be right there. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.